We're showing here a Delta finishing machine, which is called the Spectrum. One of the advantages with the Delta machine that we're showing here is the modularity and the flexibility. So what we can do with this, the way it's set up now, you could add a flexo, or you could take the flexographic printer off and add a die station for laminating capabilities, or if you wanted to add more die cutters, you could move those around to configure it for each part. You could also install a laser on here and do laser die cutting and only use that part of the time, and when you're not using it, you could rotate that out of the way and put the flexographic station back in its place. There's a lot of options that you can look at with this type of equipment, and so we design it so that you can run multiple different product families and not just the same product over and over. And that's how you can win more business, is because you can run so many different types of products on this machine.
Well, we have three 6000s, and we have a digital-only facility as far as 10,000 square feet dedicated to just that. We are in line with the 6000. It has a web guide, it has a line guide. We have a flexo unit station. We have a UV station. We have a corona treater. We also have a dryer. We have lamination capabilities. We have a flexible die station, as well as an engraved station. We were able to turn these stations on and off depending on whatever we're running, whether it's we're seaming on a shrink sleeve application and we're going to do a post varnish and a slit, or we're doing a spot varnish and a UV and a die cut. We also perf inline as well. In doing so, you're eliminating steps. And anytime you can eliminate a step, which the Delta Spectrum is allowing us to do, running in line, is clearly an advantage. We found that being able to run through the inline primer, the 6000, and then the Delta all in one pass has been a significant difference. We can also separate the tandem side of it and run as independents. That's one of the reasons that we looked at purchasing this equipment, because the ability to run as a standalone unit was also a tremendous value on our side.
The flexibility and module design of the Delta was key to us. It was something that, as we expand, and we push the limits of what we do, we want a machine that'll be able to expand with us. It was very important to have a vendor like Delta that comes from more of an engineering background than a sales and marketing background, so that I know when I phone there, I'm talking to somebody that, will instantly understand what I'm talking about, and that's what I believe you get with Delta.
We have our least experienced Indigo operator running the Spectrum 2 in line. Very, very easy to train and understand the technology side of it, and touching on the support side of it. Tremendous help. When you call Delta, you actually get someone on the phone that can help you, an engineer that's, you don't get an answering machine. If they're not at their desk, they'll find them for you. That's been a very huge advantage that we were looking for when we purchased the machine from Delta.
This machine is coming directly, leaving D-Scoop, coming directly to us along with the HP 6600. So it's a very exciting time for us at Jet Label. Everyone's pretty wound up and got a lot of exciting hard work ahead of us.